Your joints are cushioned by cartilage, a tough, flexible tissue that depends heavily on collagen, the most abundant protein in your body. As we age, our collagen levels drop, and so does joint health. But the right foods can actually support collagen production and help rebuild joint strength naturally. Cartilage equals collagen plus water. Less collagen equals weaker joints. Diet is a major solution. The best collagen-rich and joint-healing food: 1. Bone broth. Rich in collagen, gelatin, and amino acids like glycine and proline, bone broth is like liquid gold for your joints. 2. Salmon. Omega-3 fatty acids. Not just for your heart, omega-3s reduce inflammation in joints and improve mobility. 3. Eggs, especially the yolk. Eggs contain proline, a building block of collagen, and the yolks have essential fats that support healthy tissue. 4. Citrus fruits, vitamin C. Vitamin C is crucial for collagen synthesis. No C, no collagen, snack smart. 5. Leafy greens. Kale and spinach, loaded with antioxidants that protect joints from oxidative stress, a major cause of breakdown. 6. Gelatin or collagen peptides. Smoothie scoop plus shake. An easy supplement to add, tasteless, fast-absorbing, and effective when paired with vitamin C. Tip: pair collagen-rich foods with vitamin C for better absorption. Hydrate. Your joints are 70% water. Cut ultra-processed foods. They cause inflammation. Add turmeric and ginger for natural anti-inflammatory power. And move daily. Motion is lotion for your joints. Want stronger joints and pain-free movement? Start with these foods today. Hit the like button, share this with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more smart training tips from Fit Wellness Habit, where fitness meets science. Save this list. Your joints will thank you. Like, subscribe at Fit Wellness Habit.